Welcome traders to freetradingvideos.com. You're here with FTV's Breakout Trader. Alright guys, let's give this a quick rundown here. First of all, NDX, NASDAQ 100. This is a trade I am really looking for here. Today was end of quarter, end of month, so we should have seen the funds clean their books. It was a pretty promising day, really, looking at the markets here. Tomorrow, I am hoping to see the funds move in with new capital to really give them a positive quarter, because they really need one. We had basically the worst quarter we've had in the last 5 years, so the funds really need a good quarter to perform, just to catch up on the year for their fiscal year reports. So if they're gonna do it, they should do it early in the month. So let's see if they can do it on the first of the month here tomorrow. Bring some big volume in, start purchasing some big trades here. I'm looking for the NDX, as the NASDAQ 100 was a great performer in 2007, should continue that way in 2008. Beautiful thing we saw today was this right here. There's the oil markets. Okay, USO is the ETF, United States Oil Fund. Look at that big drop right there. We had oil close around 101 today. That was a great thing. So if we can see the commodities drop, such as the potash, it dropped today. We had CF, it dropped today. GLD, gold didn't really drop too much, but here's the ETF on gold. You can see nice day down on that. So we had some money coming out of commodities. When the money comes out of commodities, it generally moves back into equities. Right now, when we look at the economic situations, equities are you're basically your safest bet. So if that's the case, we could see some big volume moves into these markets and get that up leg we need on the S&P monthly chart. So if we come over and look at the monthly chart here in the S&Ps, look at this, just straight down. We've got this nice extended doji hammer candle here. So we need to come back up. I did say we're going to test this support resistance area here, be around 1450 area on the monthly chart before we break down again. So there's a nice 130 odd points there. We could move up in the S&Ps. So if that takes place, a couple of trades I'm really looking at here would be Google. Nice little pullback here after a nice pop up. Got a nice little bullish Harami candle coming in. Decent little bit amount of volume coming through there. ISRG, look at this beautiful high base. Nice high base. Break above that 332 area. We've got an entry stop under 320. What else we got out there? Another nice looking trade right here. Look at this Apple. Apple has just come up, filled this gap. Now it's basing. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's like a nice little pennant right there. Bullish pennant. High base. Break above that 146 area. We got a trade on our hands. And come all the way up to 170 before we hit a resistance area. So that's a tasty one right there. So right now, my positions are, I am already long the NDX. I entered off the 5-minute intraday chart. I have very little risk in the trade. Let me just take you to there real quick. We had the double bottom right down here. We had the higher swing low develop here. Right there in that candle is my entry. Okay, stop loss down here. So I am risking 4 points on the NDX here, which is nothing on the NDX. So this is fantastic. I'm really happy to be in that trade. Market gaps down in the morning, which I expect the market to make a low early in the morning before we rally, if we rally. So if that's the case and I get stopped out, well, it's only 4 points on the NDX. That ain't gonna hurt me. What about the Qs, which is still the NASDAQ 100? I mean, this is a beautiful chart. Look at this. Pull back down to the 50 MA, just above the 13 right here. Look at that nice little doji candle, bullish Harami. Right here in a nice pullback. Look at the volume moving into the upside, lower volume in the pullback. That is looking fantastic there. And we got some room to move to the upside here. So we can purchase some calls on the Qs. Markets are set up currently. I am hoping to get real busy tomorrow on the long side. We'll see. Let the data drive our positions here. If we get the data we require, we can move forward. If we do not, we do not move forward. So we'll see what takes place in the market. Thanks for attending freetradingvideos.com. Make sure you check us out tomorrow, as we will have fresh content. Check out all the analysts. They are the best in the markets. Get involved in the forum. Until next time, Breakout is out. Take care.